And voila, 2016 Jeep. It is a Jeep Patriot. So we cannot put the backup camera on top over here because there's no room. So we're gonna do it up here, down here somewhere, right here. You can look at it in the middle, right there. But the problem is we got the heat right there, not the heat muffler. So it could get hot. So I'm not sure what I'm trying to do yet. So I'll going to do yet. But I definitely gonna try to take this out and see if I can drill a hole through that. Use these duct seal that HVAC guy used. So I got the sticky tape right there. I'm gonna put it right in that hole. Now I'm gonna put this power supply. I do not use the black wire, guys. Do not use the black wire. Just use the red wire and hook it up to the red wire over this one. And plug the video input and output, you know, out from here to go in here. So, and doing it so right here, and then seal this hole and run it down here if you can. I might leave it right there like that, and it should be okay. Yeah, I think it should be all right. So the tire is gonna be on here. I could have do it over here, but that's kind of hard for here. Ran it down here. I had to take this out because I was thinking had to do it from on the bottom, but I didn't. But usually you can slide the wire down here and go through there, and you should have enough wire, at least 3 feet left. Do with this reverse, you're gonna plug it to these reverse jack right there, and then you'll strip this brown wire. That's access to the reverse. It's right next to the red and orange white. So between the red and orange white is the reverse wire. I've seen some people just wrap it one time. I wrap it from start to here at least a good 1.5 inches or 2. That way it's not gonna move when it get hot. Here it is, and let's put on reverse, and voila. Great, beautiful.